In this quick tutorial, we're gonna take a look at STESSA. STESSA is a property management software. Basically, here we can use their accounting services, leasing, tenant screening, landlord banking, and rent collection. So basically, we can collect the rent without all the conversation. We can let automatic late fees be the bad cop. So basically, they will add automatically the late fees. So you can basically automate your business. And if you manage a lot of property, this is a great software. They also have a free plan. So as you can see, completely free, unlimited properties, automatic bank feeds, basic financial reports, and much more. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.